Oh my god. That's a lot of bricks.
Yeah.
Oh, in the front as well. Oh. Air ride.
Right.
Look at him. He's like ragging against this fence here. Look at him. And then I've slammed on and beeped at him. Now look at him.
What the hell?
He like dives on my car.
Why did he do that?
Look at me. He's like on my windscreen right where the cheeky get. And then look at him.
Hello. Oh, good God. I'm gonna go fucking miles back. Fucking slow down. Slow down. And stop coming so fucking close to my car.
Listen mate, right, I've just reversed